Yeah. And we're back just like that. All right, we back, y'all. Gold pushing higher. Excuse me. Prasan, what's up? I want to short this. I want to short it, but I'm not. Wait till market open. The last night, one of my clients took their whole team to an escape room, and it was super fun. I got to shoot content and watch them go crazy. So I'm transferring the drone footage right now. What's the secret behind consistency? You know, I had a taste of it, just a taste. And, you know, the secret was two things. One, just don't care about it as much as you want. Like, when I didn't care about the outcome as much, it was like I was numb to the outcomes and I was just robotically trading. That's when I found consistency. So, like, not caring about the trades and just trading what you should trade. And then two, knowing yourself, my friend, which is the hardest thing. Knowing yourself helps you find consistency, because you know why you're going FOMO. You know why you can't handle having a loss. You know why you're trading in the middle of the night when you shouldn't. Knowing yourself helps you find all those answers. So, not to be all wishy-washy, but that's my analysis from tasting consistency. All right, I like NQ shorts, but obviously I'm not going to jump until market open. Question is how far of a retracement could we get before it continues short? Is what I'm asking myself. That is where I'm going to look for shorts if it pumps up at market open. Nah, man, I sarcastically mocked your YouTube live consistency. Oh, I see. I see. Do you like trading on Tradeovate? I do and I don't at the same time. It's a love-hate. I like that I like the saturated colors. Like, it's like super saturated. And I like that it's not too flashy. It's like very basic, so it feels more legit. It doesn't feel... It feels like I'm trading on a legit platform. Obviously it is, so I do like it. But at the same time, it feels like Windows 98, you know? It's like, it's 2026. It's a little bit basic, you know? But yeah. Drop this right down in the middle. Now, I'll put it up here. There you go. All right, market about to open. 50 seconds. We are about to tap into this 1 hour demand on NQ. So if it continues the sell-off, I'm not going to chase it at market open. If it retraces up here, I will look for shorts. Appreciate the sub, Audrey. Welcome to the Matrix Trading family. We are going to just see what happens. Look, gold isn't horrible. To be honest, it's not. I just want to wait for a break of structure at this point. So it tapped the supply. It has, I'm looking at my other screen. It tapped the supply and rejected a little bit. So we have to wait for a break of structure. So I'd be waiting for break of 5,237 area. Okay, everybody, market is open. Stay tight. Respect your stop losses. Try not to go in tilt. Most importantly, have some fun, if that's even possible with trading. Come on, guys. If you guys could type, send me a dinosaur emoji in the chat for some good luck today. You got to go through your phone, find the dinosaur emoji, send it in the chat just for some good luck so we can get the party started. All right. Like the stream. Also, in the pinned comments above, which I haven't done that yet, there's a free Discord which you can join. Completely free. Just building a community to trade with other people. And then in the description below, you can see that there too. Per Dia Capital, I haven't changed my descriptions, but Per Dia Capital, I'm going to buy an account this weekend. And I will trade with them, but I messaged them about free accounts, and hopefully we get some free accounts from them soon. Trade played out exactly how I analyzed it. Got to get another eval. Let's go. Congrats, bro. Good job. Good job. Good job. Rysel, what's up? Good morning. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Counter trend trade on gold starting to look decent. So hear me out. Hear me out. We would want to see this 5-minute candle close below this swing low. And then we will look for shorts in the 5-minute supply. So we need to see a 5-minute candle close below here. And then we will look to short in the 5-minute supply. But we need to wait for that candle close. And we need to see it break below this area. Hey, there's the dinosaurs. Shaq got motion. You youngins with your sayings got motion. WSG? See, I don't know what that means, bro. What is WSG? Bullish gods. That's a turtle, bro. I guess that counts as a dinosaur. So we're waiting for this break of structure here still. So let's see what happens. I'm going to put an alert on that. So let's put a pin in it. As they would say in the business world, if you're having a conversation, you want to talk about business, you know, but you don't want to talk about it right now. Let's put a pin in it and come back to it. So we're going to put a pin in it on gold. We're going to switch over to NQ right quick. Oh, what's good? See, freaking bro, I need Eric. I know you're hip with it. You know what I mean? I know you know what's up. I need you to send me a list of all the like Gen Z conversations, bro. So send that over. Stop, bro. Stop acting like you're crazy old. I don't know what WSG means. Doesn't that mean I'm old? You know what I mean? WSG, I was like, what? What? Bro, I'm 35, bro. You know? I know I don't feel old, you know, for sure. But I'm not going to be an idiot and think that I'm a youngin also, you know? I'm learning about aura farming, you know what I mean? I know I got a aura farm, you know? I sound so bad right now. Oh, man. Okay, so I like NQ. If we do break a structure here, okay, if we do break above this and we close above it, then I'd be looking for longs in this 5-minute demand. Now, it's a counter trend trade on both gold and NQ, and it's high risk. So I'd be willing to take that risk. But we want to make sure that we get that close above. So 14 seconds left, everybody. 14 seconds left. As long as it closes above the body of the candle, I will look for longs. All right, it closed above, so I am down to take this long. We might not get the retracement, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? Tyler, appreciate the sub, my friend. Welcome to the Matrix Trading family. All right, I'm going to take an aggressive entry if we do get it. I'll take the aggressive entry long. Now it's just a matter of sitting and waiting. Waiting and sitting. This is too funny. Good in California right now with family, going to Disney today and enjoying the week out here. Psh, bullish. All of us want to be you right now, bro. Disney in California. Psh, that's awesome. The light goal, it disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. It like typed itself out and says sup now. I don't know what happened, bro. All right, well, gold didn't break structure just yet. And what's your strategy, supply and demand? I seen you're no longer in the Discord below. I thought you might have left. Look for longs on gold as well. Just got notification from a tweet. What'd you find out, bro? What'd you find out? Gold shorts are looking mighty fine right now, but I'm still waiting. Bro, don't do this. Don't do this, NQ. Don't do this, NQ. I'm gonna... Don't. Bro, don't. Don't. Don't, bro. Don't even right now, bro. Don't even right now, bro. Rashawn. Yo, bro, what's up? See, another... Yo, bro, HRU. What does HRU mean? How are you? Is that right? Oh my gosh, I feel like an idiot. Yes, that's probably how are you. I'm doing good, man. Thank you. HRU means thank you. Or how are you? Bro, did we not... Why did we not get filled, bro? That is so close to getting filled. Question is... Okay, it's coming back down. Still risky trade. Super counter trend. This is another thing that was pissing me off this month. I feel you, bro. I can see. All right. Well, we didn't get filled on that, which is pretty disappointing. So I'm going to take it off the table so I don't forget to take it off. Set my alerts down here. And wait for the next trade, guys. That's all we can do. What a beautiful trade that would have been. The one with the 1 minute demand worked out perfectly. Unfortunately, it worked out perfectly without us. So I'm going to switch my mind, or I'm going to switch myself to gold here. Excuse me. We had to break a structure. So I'm going to take this short if we get filled. See if we get that retracement, but we had a break of structure here, break of a trend line, and happy with all that. Now we're just waiting. It's how are you? Yeah. Doing great. Just closed a trade with 10K profit. Bro, you're doing really good, bro. Next trade, facts, another chart. Yep. Well, gold might leave without us too. That's a good double top. No more TopStep. I'm trading Lucid right now. I traded all of TopStep last month and into this month. So just giving it a break because I blew those Express accounts and just trading something new. NQ's coming back. So I have to make a quick decision. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. Just going to take the stab on it. I got a tight stop. Tight stop.
Stop filled.
All right, sweet. I wanted to make it tight. Holy cannoli. What? The slippage on this thing was crazy. I just lost all the profit on that. It said I was risking only 250 bucks. Okay, that's frustrating. That's frustrating. Yeah, that's frustrating. But it's all good. It's all good. That okay, you're not gonna lie. I'm a little frustrated with the slippage on that. That sucks. All right, well, we'll give this a stab here. Actually, I'm gonna go to 14. How much I lose? It was a $600 loss on that, and I was only really risking. It said 350 or something like that, 400. So slippage with that pump down on NQ wrecked me.
Order filled.
All right, we're gonna give this a stab.
Order filled.
Holy cannoli, 7 contracts is quite a bit. I should have done the math. I should have done the math here. Get your TP did a crazy move. Yeah, I know how that is, bro. FOMO's real, man. I've heard TopStep has TopStep been bodying people's accounts. See, Impervious, this is what I'm talking about. What does bodying mean? I don't know what that means, bro. Bodying, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm old, or I'm getting older. I feel out of touch. What does bodying mean? Overall, this month I've been good with 90% win rate. That's cool, man. Good for you. Good for you. Oh snap. Yeah, that's crazy. How much you lose? Yeah, I lost more than what I wanted to. Copy trading 2. Yep, trading to 2 Lucid accounts right now. Did you have a Fonda analysis behind the technical analysis? Oh, what? What's a Fonda analysis? I don't know what that is. Oh, Fonda, fundamental analysis, part of your strategy. No, I don't really look at fundamentals. I mean, I keep an eye on fundamentals, market, macroeconomics. I have an idea. If you were to ask me what's going on right now, I can hold a conversation telling you, okay, we've got, AI bubble. We've got tariffs that are crazy. We know that the car market is a bubble here in the U.S. We know that inflation got out of hand. I have an idea of the fundamentals. When I say bodying, I mean closing. See, bro? I am old. I got stopped on that NQ for it to do the same crap again. All good. Yeah, that's the hard part, bro. NQ, yeah, see? NQ really did us dirty on that. Really did us dirty. But, it is what it is. It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't, is the truth. All right, well, we really want to see this 5-minute candle close on the 13 EMA. That'll give us more confirmation to go to hold short. So let's see what happens here. Starting to flip. Not what we want to see, but there's still 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Younger terminology hurts my brain. I'm from the 90s. Yeah, exactly, bro. Me too. I'm in the 90s. Now 90s baby. But I try to keep up. I'm a social media manager, so I have to keep up is the problem. Good bro, never forget the Fonda is the base. 100%, man. I'm intrigued by the Fonda, so I listen to Fonda stuff. Not liking this. I'm not liking this. NQ is ripping right now. Just ripping without us. We got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle, and I really want to see the 13 EMA grabbed by this 5-minute candle. So let's see. If you haven't done so, it means so much to me if you tap the like button. Just kind of gets the algorithm juices flowing, gets the right people over to us. Also, if you haven't done so, we have a free Discord. It's in the pinned comments above or description below. Lastly, if I earned it, it means so much to me if you tap the subscribe button. As I try to go live every day. Full disclosure, I am not a full-time day trader. I don't make money off of courses. I don't make money off of trading full-time. I have my own business, which is why I can't go live every single day because I have to take care of my business. That's my little spiel for today. 10 seconds left. Please hold the 13 EMA, or at least on the 1 minute close below this EMA, which would give us more confirmation short. If not, gentlemen, we might be cooked. We just might be cooked. All right, it closed not the greatest, so I don't feel too confident based on what I'm looking at right now. I don't feel too confident in what I'm seeing. Why does NQ have to wick out like that and be an absolute jerk to us? Come on, man. Ay, caramba. Might be cooked, friends. We might be cooked, guys. Gold. Gold. Why? 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 To be that way? Why? Why? This is human nature. Why? Why? To be that way? I'll tell you what. Not looking good. Really got to see this 5-minute candle reject. If not, I'm going to cut the trade early, guys. Nice. Nice. Don't give up us. Don't give up on us now, gold. Come on now. Come on now. No, wrong way. Wrong way, gold. Wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Nice, nice, very nice. No, 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 you're going the wrong way. Come on, guys, talk to Gold. Give him a call. Ask him what's up. Probably having a bad day, Gold is. Dang it, guys. Dang it. I might cut it. I might cut it early and re-enter. Good trade. 1 hour supply, break a structure, 5-minute supply, entry. Not mad at it. Ask him what day it is. Yeah. He's probably going to say Tuesday because he's all whacked out. King of YouTube. Oh, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, not looking good. Not looking good. %, getting out if this wicks up here. Kobe, don't play that. I'm getting out. Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2. Nope. I think we're cooked, everybody. I think we're cooked. Bruh. We're not in the clear yet. I ain't counting this as a win. Or I'm not counting it like we're in the free. We're in the clear, I should say. I don't know why I said in the free. Come on, Gold. Come on, Gold. Go night-night. Come on, Gold. Go night-night. Time to go to bed. Go to sleep. Come on. Oh, man. Okay, I thought we had some news later today, but we don't. So Don't do this. Don't come back now, bro. Come on, man. I mean, don't come back down. Don't come back up. What's NQ doing? Dang. Well, dang. NQ came back down. But it's just looks like it's making next swing high. So higher high, lower high, higher high. So potentially longs again on NQ, but I can't do anything. I'm stuck in this trade, so I'm stuck in this trade. All right, we got 22 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. We really need to see this 5-minute candle close below this. We got 10 seconds left, but we need to see it close below this line. This gold line. If it closes below the gold line, I could feel a bit better of our situation. So price held. Let's see if it continues to hold. Bro, really, gold? Really? Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. With my heart. I should have known from the start. Yeah, from my heart. Come on. Sing it with me. My heart. Come on. I should have known from the start. Come on, gold. Keep selling off. Come on, man. Don't play games, bro. Just drop. Let's go. See, I know what LFG means. Let's go. We're not in the clear yet, but we're looking better. We're looking better. We have multiple 5-minute closures below this line. We also have a little bit of a trend line break, but we're so close to our entry. It's not the greatest, to be honest. So just hold your horses. We'll celebrate when we get down here. We'll start to celebrate something when we get down here. But right now, it's anybody's game on gold. Excuse me. Can you teach me? I currently don't have any ability to teach right now. I've got a lot going on as far as my own business and stuff, but maybe in the future I'll be teaching people. I have content in my Discord and also content that I have on my YouTube from a while ago where I did make videos about it. I just don't have the allocated time to continue creating educational videos. And I say I don't have the time. It's just, it's not of interest of me to create it. I'd rather be still generating income from my other businesses. So the truth is there's plenty of time to do anything. I don't want to say that. I don't like when people say, I got to find the time to do this, because there's always time. It's not, you can't find it. You have to make time. And you have to make the decision to want to do it because you want to do it, you know? Very long-winded answer for something that wasn't necessarily needing to be that long, but we keep playing around. We just keep, it's either going to rip higher or it's going to sell short. That's it, because we're chopping so much. there's going to be a strong move either way. So someone on my YouTube commented, said he trades off the 2 minute. So it's like, hey, you know, it's a good idea. Let me take a look at the 2 minute. So I'm gonna try keeping an eye on the 2 minute a bit more. But as of right now, it don't even matter what you're looking at. 5 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. This is choppy. If we get another 5 minute candle closure below this orange line or gold line, whatever color it is, we should be looking even more into the right direction. Really, gold? All right, we closed below it, which is good, but we're still chopping. Trying to decide to manage my risk, which I probably will. I'm going to lower my stops now below these 2 5 minute candle wicks. If it does wick up that high, then I have no desire to be a part of it. And I'd rather take a less of a hit. Bruh. Yeah, it doesn't look good, guys. Doesn't look good. Dang, are you kidding me? It's playing games like that? That is crazy work. Ay, caramba. If you're still here with me, appreciate it. Appreciate you joining in on the stream and hanging out with me, watching me sit here go crazy, watching price action be crazy right now. All right.
Stop filled.
There you go. You got stopped out. Not bad, not bad. I'm not mad at it. We respected our stop loss. Valid trade. Gonna see what happens. See if we have to, if we re-enter or not. So we waited for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, almost 30 minutes for us to get chopped up. For us to rating on gold. Very frustrating. But all good. At least it chose a direction. And that's all we can do is just allow the thing to do its thing. A bit of a battle there between buyers and sellers. And it looks like the bulls have won. Now, we'll set our eyes on NQ. Dylan said, choppy day, bro. Right? Crazy. Crazy choppy. So we are hitting a supply zone on the one on NQ that I've been watching. So that being said, I'm interested in taking this short. So I'm going to take it short on the rejection of the 1 minute candle if we get one. And then there's a 5 minute demand down here where I would want to get out.
Stop filled.
Super aggressive entry, not much in the sense of the 5 minute supply that I was waiting for. I have the 200 EMA that's lining up here too. So very risky trade. I'm okay taking the loss on it. And again, just an eval.
Order filled.
I'm just cutting it. Well. First trade on NQ, we got stopped out for it to go in the right direction. Okay. I'm just revisiting everything in my mind. So the first trade we had on gold NQ was down here in this 5 minute demand, and price came down on the aggressive entry, wicked us out, and came up, which was fine, whatever. Second trade was gold, legitimate setup, 1 hour supply, break a structure into a 5 minute supply, short, chopped around 30 minutes, stopped out. Last trade, I had an alert on in this 5 minute supply area, and I was looking to short this anyway from the beginning of the day, and we took that short. We got stopped out. So we're technically without the wick out on the stop out on that on this one. We're 1 and 2. I'm going to count that as a winning trade, just that we got stopped out in my mind. That's where we're sitting. And I have to hit the road here soon. Just have to drive 2 hours. So trying to decipher what to do. Choppy day. What market is this? Time to walk away, I think. Possibly. I'm deciding in my mind what the right decision is for me at the moment. Am I in a mental state that is good enough to take one more trade? Or I'm in a place where it's not going to make sense. So, yeah. With it being an eval, I can live with taking a short, and I'm not going to take a on my live account, so
Order filled.
we're going to give this one last stab. Short. And then I'm going to call it a day after that. Potentially longs stepping up in this 5-minute demand. So again, this would be an area of take profit. This 1-minute trend line isn't the strongest or prettiest by no means, but it is an added confluence to what I'm looking for. Time to take a break, bro. OpenAI funding is collapsing. I've heard about that too, Dylan. If you need to ask if it's time to take a, it's time to take a break. Agreed, but also disagree at the same time. Because I have to ask myself, like, if I don't feel comfortable taking the trade idea one more time and I don't take it and then it ends up going my way, does that pain hurt more than me stopping and walking away? Is the question I have to ask myself. And I'd rather take one more loss and then walk away than not take the trade idea one last time. It works out, or it doesn't work out and then get stopped out. I feel much more at peace. Even though I lost money, I feel much better this way, if that makes sense. So that's my thought process. I wasn't frustrated. I'm not frustrated from the losing trades this morning. I'm content with my decisions. I also understand that that first trade was a stop out, just from an unlucky wick, right? So I'm not mad about that. And then gold was a legitimate setup, so I'm not mad about that either. So all of those things play in my mind. All of those things are factors. I'm going to play defense and let me just make sure what the 5-minute candle looks like. Yeah. I'm going to go to break even, which is the top of this 5-minute candle. If it rejects and comes back up, then I'll be good. So this 5-minute candle right here, this one is a bearish candle. So price pumped up for 3, 4, 5, almost 5 minutes. The last minute or so, it starts to reject and shows weak price action. So that was also adding into the idea of taking it short. Trading two, Manny, I'm trading two accounts. Question is, can Meshach hold till take profit, which is 5-minute demand? Can he hold? Will he hold? Will he be able to hold? Or will he take it after this 5-minute candle wick? $17, $16, $15, $14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, it reversed. Put myself into slight profit, which I'm good with. Obviously. Didn't reach our take profit area, which is all good. And we move on. So interesting enough, gold tried to push to make a new high, which it did. It did. And ideally, we'd want to be taking this long, right? Ideally, we want to be taking it long in the 5-minute demand. But if this continues to sell off, then I think that shorts would come back into play. On gold. Go down to the 5-minute. Now, here's the next swing low again. Swing low. If we get the swing low break, potentially taking it short up here if it gets back up here, or shorting this old demand into a new supply. Airsock. Shack Attack, what's up? LT double top on a decision zone. Yeah, I don't know if that's, I mean, maybe just different terms, but yes. Just gonna wait. Let's see what happens in this next 5-minute candle. What's up, chat? Keep up the good work. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate you jumping on, man. Do you have you tried Trade C? No. You're the second person to bring that up. Eric brought that up earlier, so I'll have to check that out. All right, so NQ is looking like it wants to continue pushing higher. EMAs are getting tighter. the 213. So we'll just allow price action to do its thing. I'm liking gold shorts, to be honest, but I'd want to see a break of structure here. This would be my last trade of the day. Last trade idea. Because I got to hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. And never come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. And never come back no more, no more, no more, no more. 37 seconds left. Unfortunately, you need Rhythmic to trade with TradeC, but if you're open to it, the platform's solid. I'll have to take a look, man. I'll have to definitely take a look, since you guys mentioned it a few times here. Airsock, hopefully it works out. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Same here. Hopefully it works out, but if it doesn't, you know, life moves on. All right, new 5-minute candle opened up. We did get the break of structure. Question is do we get the retracement higher or do we continue lower? I don't think the EMAs are going to allow for it. So I'm going to wait for some sort of 1-minute candle pullback and try to enter short. The question is does it come back up? And I don't know if it will. That's my problem. I don't know if it's going to come all the way back up to the supply. I guess we just wait for that opportunity. Always. Next time, Big Shaq. You know it. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. %, fib. I don't know how to use fibs. I've never really put fibs to work, so I'll have to check that out. Only 50% matters. Bro, check it out. Okay. All right. Word for it. Take a look at it. I try not to have too many indicators, to be honest. give this trade idea a shot.
Order filled.
All right, aggressive entry on it. Let's see. Oh, snap. My school of thought taught me Fib 38.2, 61.8, 100, and style 50 is gold. They say 50 to 61.8 is the golden zone, but yes, principle I use 50 only. Okay, keep it simple, stupid. I like it. I'll have to check it out, my friend. I'll have to check it out. I'm not saying fibs don't work, man. People use fibs and they make their money. Not looking good for us. $50 level gives huge tells. Fibs work as good as trend lines. Okay. Okay. I hear you. Loud and clear. Dang, do lizard peeps exist? Really? Well, fib analysis is heavy work. I rather dislike it, so 50 only for me. Yeah, I hear you. I mean, everybody has their own spin to things. And as long as the edge works and you manage your risk, you can be profitable. You know? So... So our 5-minute supply on NQ looks like it's working. That kind of frustrates me, but you know, it is what it is. All right, my batteries are charging. Here it comes, guys. I think this is where we get cooked on this last trade. $12 seconds left. push any higher, I'm going to get out. Just managing my risk. Okay, guys, well, I gotta jump off the stream. I gotta hit the road, if you know what I mean. If they do, they are fallen angels and demons. You know, Papa Bear, I agree with you on that, my friend. Legitimately, I do. Okay, guys, well, I appreciate it. Like the stream, follow, jump in the Discord, do your thing. I enjoy hanging out with you guys. I love trading with you guys. It means so much to me. So, until next time.